Hello, my name is Kofi Takyi Asante. I'm a research fellow at the Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research at the University of Ghana. I'm also a member of the Ghana Workstream 1 team of the Agricultural Policy Research in Africa. So smallholder farmers in Ghana now have a number of opportunities opening up to them as a result of recent policy interventions. I'll mention two of them. The first is the Planting for Food and Job program. And through this program, government provides subsidized seedlings and also fertilizer and other services like mechanization services to farmers. The second policy is the One District, One Factory program, by which government aims to boost the structural transformation of the economy by investing in agro industries. So these two policies together have the potential of improving farmers' livelihood by raising their incomes and by providing them with a steady market. However, a number of problems still remain. Infrastructure to food producing areas of the country still remain in a very poor state, with the consequence that many of the farmers produce go to waste, and it also drives down prices because farmers face a constraint with food going bad, so they have to sell their produce at a very low wage. Farmers also lack access to credit. Many banking institutions are reluctant to provide them with credit as a result of their inability to produce collateral or other programs. Now, the final and the biggest problem that farmers face, and this is something that we found in our study on the oil palm economy in southwestern Ghana, is that many farmers are poor. And in fact, poverty in Ghana is a rural phenomenon. And so, although farmers in our study area would make a lot more money, would increase their income by entering into contractual arrangements with palm oil processing companies, or by processing their own produce, many of them are pushed by necessity to sell on the market at low wages. And this is a result of their state of material deprivation. And so, unless some of these problems are attended to, the policy initiatives, which actually have a lot of potential to benefit smallholder farmers, will not have the impact that it could have because of these other problems that farmers face.